Have you ever stared at a jumble of overlapping FTIR peaks, wishing the answer was just a little clearer? You're not alone. Most chemists have been there, second-guessing spectra, or chasing their tails over an unsolved contamination. But what if you could turn that frustration into your superpower? Let me discuss how advanced FTIR strategies can transform your chemical analysis, and frankly, your confidence in the lab. This isn't the FTIR you learnt at university. OAUs. I'm talking about going beyond routine, unlocking the full potential of your instrument for root cause analysis, contaminant identification, and advanced material failure diagnosis in real industry scenarios. Think about it. No more guesswork in spectral interpretation. You'll learn systematic techniques to resolve overlapping bands, identify complex functional groups, and finally interpret mixture spectra with proper clarity, even when hydrogen bonding and vibrational coupling try to muddy the waters. But there's even more. You'll master advanced sampling techniques, the kind that separate the experts from the dabblers. Expert will tackle sample prep for tricky materials, expose common artifacts, and hand you the troubleshooting skills to keep your workflow smooth. Ever hit a wall with quantitative analysis? Say goodbye to rough estimates. Expert will cover advanced calibration strategies that go way beyond Beer's law and give you a solid grip on chemometric modeling and multivariate analysis, essential for today's high-stakes R&D, QA/QC, and manufacturing troubleshooting. This training isn't just about ticking boxes, it's about doing. We dive deep into kinetic studies, method validation, and process troubleshooting, turning routine FTIR into a strategic tool that drives product quality and keeps you ahead of the compliance curve. Whether you're an R&D chemist, technical manager, QA lead, or a product development pro, this is the toolkit you didn't know you needed. We'll get hands-on with real-world case studies drawn straight from industry and explore the cutting-edge ATR, grazing angle, time-resolved FTIR, even hyphenated systems like TGA FTIR and GC FTIR. Ready to see why FTIR is the most underrated problem solver in your lab? Join this training and unlock techniques for pharmaceutical analysis, polymer characterization, catalyst studies, and more. We'll cover troubleshooting, best practices, and even give you the inside scoop on emerging tech and data management. Don't just keep up, get ahead. Level up your FTIR game, become the go-to problem solver in your team, and make your analysis count. To register, click the link in the description or visit OnlyTRAININGS.com now. And hey, check out the newly launched OnlyTRAININGS Academy, featuring thousands of courses across 100+ domains. Want to explore more? Visit academy.onlytrainings.com today.